Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Clash of Clans Supercell ID. First, open your Clash of Clans game on your mobile device. Once the game loads, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a cogwheel, in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to account management and game options. Tapping it will reveal a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your game. After opening the settings, you will see a banner or section clearly labeled Supercell ID. If you haven't linked an account before, it will likely say disconnected or play without Supercell ID. Tap on this button to proceed. A new screen will appear, presenting you with the choice to either log in if you already have one or register now to create a brand new ID. Choose Register Now to continue. Upon selecting Register Now, a new window will prompt you to enter your email address. It is crucial to use an active email account that you can easily access, as this will be your primary method for recovering or managing your Supercell ID. Type your chosen email into the provided field carefully. Then, you will be asked to re-enter the same email address in a second field to ensure accuracy before moving forward. Once you have entered and confirmed your email address, Supercell will dispatch a unique 6-digit verification code to that inbox. Immediately switch to your email application or web browser and check your email. Be sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your primary inbox within about 30 seconds. Copy or memorize this code, then return to the Clash of Clans app and input it into the game's verification prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.